so I might give a 6 to my chin.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Hope you are doing well. This is the hair I'm using for today's video. I'm trying a new method of wig styling, and this hair is from Alipearl Hair. It's 3 bundles and a frontal. One thing I like about this hair is that the hair is coiled to the tip, the wefts are neatly sewn to each other, and it's true to length. They sent me 26, 24, 20 and 18 inches frontal. I first saw this method here on YouTube by a YouTuber called Miss Precious. I think I'm going to leave the name here on the screen, but I actually did little stuffs that are different. Out using T-pins to secure it. Then I'm just wearing the stockings cap onto the mannequin head, which is already inside out, and this is my first time trying this method. I pray it comes out well. My fingers are crossed. Ensure that the stockings cap is covering all parts of the wig cap. Now I'm using Got to Be Free Spray to spray on the frontal part or where the frontal is. So I would lie to you guys, I made a little mistake by not allowing the styling moist to dry out first before spraying the Got to Be Free Spray, and because of it, it took longer than expected. I think it took about, let's say, 30 minutes for it to dry up using a hand dryer. And dry it or blow dry it. I'm using this mini hair dryer to do so. So yeah, this is a little bit different from Miss Precious method. In her video, she actually used a 360 frontal wig. She bleached the knots, and also she did not apply styling moist while she was preparing the hair before installation. Now that the free spray is dry, I'm just using family, give this video a big thumbs up, and then you can leave a comment just so that I will know what you think. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed.